bad spark plugs, ignition coils, or engine misfire. Now we move into one of the most common causes of a flashing or steady check engine light. Your engine needs a strong spark to ignite the air-fuel mixture properly. That spark usually comes from the ignition coils and spark plugs. But if the spark plugs are worn or the ignition coil is weak, the fuel in one or more cylinders may not burn the way it should. That creates a misfire, and misfires are a big deal because when your engine misfires, you may feel shaking, rough idle, loss of power, hesitation during acceleration, or even a jerking sensation. And when your car detects that misfire, it often turns on the check engine light right away. In some cases, the light may even flash. And if it flashes, that usually means the issue is more urgent. Many people keep driving anyway, but that can be risky because repeated misfires can damage other expensive parts, including the catalytic converter. So if the engine feels rough or the car shakes while idling, this reason should be high on your list.